Hey, it's Pat from Progressive, and I want you to come on down to the Progressive International Motorcycle Show in Long Beach this weekend. We've got everything. All the OEMs are bringing out their biggest and best new products, and here with Progressive Insurance, we've got Race Across America, our slot track race. It's one of the biggest mobile slot track races in the world. It doesn't matter if you ride a Yamaha, a Kawasaki, a BMW, or a Harley. Whatever you're riding, you can come settle your grudge right here in the Progressive Garage. Then walk on down to the Progressive School of Rock stage. You're going to hear some incredible music. We're saving rock and roll one song at a time down there. So come on down, see me, Pat from Progressive. It's the Progressive International Motorcycle Show in Long Beach all weekend. It starts today. It started at 3 o'clock, so if you're not here, you're already late. We're going to be here till 8 o'clock tonight. We'll be here all day tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday. So come out and see us in Long Beach at the Progressive International Motorcycle Show.